Okay, folks, welcome to Chico's Life in Vegas. This is going to be one of my walking tours of the downtown Fremont Plaza. Folks, it's just amazing around here. It's a little before 5 o'clock tonight. Chico just got out of work. Chico's a little bored, so we're going to take a walk. I see everybody doing walking videos. That nice young man, he does them all the time, and he eats a lot. Yeah, he lives in Las Vegas. He just kind of walks around. I'm not sure if he's got a job or not. He does a really good job on his videos. Yeah, Chico's Life in Vegas. Here we go. Just a beautiful place. There are some really entertaining characters here. Oh, you betcha. Lots of free entertainment. People dressed up as a bunch of weirdos asking for money, you know, but that's okay. Give them some money. That's how they're making their living. That's how they're doing it. They're doing it. Okay, there's Eisenberg. Get some meth. There you go. A little bit of that blue ice. Listen. It's damn loud around here. It's damn loud around here. Here's that spinning bar. Doesn't seem to be working. Typical Las Vegas. Doesn't work. Yeah, I'm sure the escalator leading up there is broke too. Anyways, tell me what you think if you like this Fremont Plaza. You come down here, smells like weed. Yeah, beer. People spilling their beer. Smoking weed. All kinds of stupid stuff. It's like a heaven for people who just want to do stupid stuff, you know? That's Chico's kind of place. Chico likes to do lots of stupid stuff. Yeah, like get married twice. You betcha. Never do that again. Look at this guy. Oh, kind of a weird looking feller. Yeah, he must take a long shower after that. I'll tell you. I don't know, folks. It's kind of crazy around here. It is. Lots of people here are just looking at all the excitement. Then you got these people here making flowers. There's like 10 of them making flowers. Yeah. Who needs a flower? Why don't you roll me a joint or something? Come on, folks. Get with the program. I don't want a flower. Chico wants the bell. Okay. And can you hear in the distance the most annoying thing on Fremont Street? Can you? Can you hear it? Can you hear it, folks? Here, listen. We're gonna go take a listen. Yeah. I'm just gonna torture you guys.
Wait to cross Casino Center. Wait to cross Casino Center.
Okay, folks, here we go. Had to sit through that. Boy, I tell you, that just kind of numbs the brain. Kind of get you. Listen to this guy in his bucket. You know, you really got to bang on a bucket for 2 hours, 3 hours. Look at this guy. He's got bigger boots than me. Yeah. Okay, folks, listen. Look at it. Here we go. He's just beating away on the bucket. Yeah, I'm gonna give you money for beating the bucket. Good job. Do something. There we go. Look, oh, here we go. Look at this. Yeah. There's some good artists down here, though. Just take a look at this. He does this with spray paint. Yeah, take a look. Pretty talented people. Listen to this guy. Yeah. I'll tell you. Really. Tell me in the comments how much that annoys you. I'd really like to know. Oh, look, here's another guy making flowers. Yeah. Oh, God. Okay, listen. So peaceful now. So peaceful. Oh. My hands stopped shaking. My hands have stopped shaking now. It's quiet. Oh, feels so much better. Folks, I'll tell you. That right there just gets your nerves. She starts shaking. You know, agitated. Barking at your wife about something. Your wife barking at you about something or that goddamn bucket. Ugh. Okay. If you like the bucket, then leave a comment. If you don't like the bucket, leave a comment. Either way, leave a comment. I got more people making flowers, what I tell you. They're all over the damn place. The damn flower makers. Well, here we go. A couple of showgirls. Chico's liking the showgirls. You betcha. Folks, this is just an amazing experience down here. Yeah. Lots of security. They just kind of stand around. Most of their names are Eileen. Yeah, they just kind of lean against the wall. Eileen, that's their name. You betcha, folks. Look at, we got an escalator over there. I'm not gonna go on it because there's no down escalator. It's a trick to get you up to that casino. Kind of a dirty little trick they got there. You betcha. So, what do we got over here? Just look at this beauty. Lovely. I love it. This is America, folks. You can do this stuff. Nobody says anything. That's the beauty of America. You can do it in America, folks. Can't do that stuff in China. Sure can. Okay, we're coming to the end of the Fremont Street Plaza. I hope you enjoyed my walk. Chico's ChicoslifeinVegas. Here we are. This here is the Slotzilla. You can hang from a steel cord. Hopefully not fall. Yeah, look at it, folks. It's just amazing. And it goes all the way down. Yeah, here we go. Listen. We got some more of that annoying. Here we go. Listen. Come on. I think we need to wait. So folks, look at this view right here. Just spectacular. If you're ever in Las Vegas, make your way down to the Fremont Street Plaza. Partake in the fun. Make sure if you get a picture with one of these street people, you give them a couple dollars for a big can of Hurricane. You betcha. They'll love it. Just a beautiful, fun environment. Bring the kids. Bring everybody. Bring grandma. Bring grandpa. Yeah. Just have a good old time, folks. So, folks, this here's my walk. I hope you enjoyed it. ChicoslifeinVegas. Maybe next ChicoslifeinVegas I'll go to the restaurant and just eat a sandwich. You betcha. I'll have a sandwich. Yeah. Okay. Let me know in the comments how you like my walking video. Let me know. Make sure you share this on your social media. Okay, folks? All your social media. On your Tinder. Your Bumble. Okay? Tinder and Bumble. Folks, give a shout out to Chico. Good shout out to Chico. Okay, we're going to end with these beautiful girls here. Hope, not that guy, these girls. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you all.